Imagine learning a skill that could change your financial future in just 90 days. Not years or decades from now, but in 3 months, you could have the foundation to earn 6 figures or more, all without a degree or the debt that comes with it. High-income skills are the key to financial freedom. And in this video, we'll dive deep into how you can master them with real, actionable steps. Stay tuned because we'll even share a fact about one surprisingly legal skill that's making millionaires today. Welcome to 90 Days Better, the channel where we explore life-changing habits and strategies you can apply in just 90 days to improve your health, wealth, and overall well-being. In today's video, we'll break down several powerful, practical skills you can start learning today, while covering how to structure your learning journey and offering key resources that can help you along the way. Let's begin. Here's the problem. Traditional education systems aren't set up to prepare us for today's fast-paced digital economy. Many people find themselves stuck in low-paying jobs, unaware that with just 3 months of focused learning, they could dramatically change their financial prospects. According to a recent survey, nearly 50% of employees feel they're underpaid and trapped in their current roles. But what if you could shift your trajectory by mastering a skill that allows you to freelance, consult, or even launch your own business? This is where high-income skills come into play. So what are they, and how do you go from beginner to earning money with them in just 90 days? The first week is all about setting a clear goal and understanding the skill you want to master. High-income skills aren't just technical. Soft skills like sales, copywriting, or negotiation can be just as lucrative. Start by picking one skill and diving into foundational knowledge. For example, digital marketing, software development, and copywriting are great starting points. Each of these skills has free resources you can begin with, such as online courses, YouTube tutorials, or books. Here's the crucial part. Spend your first week learning the basics, but also plan how you'll practice daily. Consistency is key in this 90-day journey, so create a habit that involves learning and practicing for at least an hour a day. Whether it's setting up a mock website for digital marketing or practicing your copywriting by rewriting ads, real-world application is where you'll see the most growth. By the second week, you should be transitioning from theory to practice. This is when the magic starts to happen. Begin applying your skill in small, manageable ways. If you're learning digital marketing, create a mock campaign. If you're exploring web development, build a simple project, like a landing page or portfolio site. The key here is to avoid perfectionism. Your first attempts won't be perfect, and that's okay. The goal is to build momentum through practice. As you move through weeks 2 to 4, immerse yourself in the community around your skill. Join online forums, groups, or platforms like Reddit, LinkedIn, or specialized communities where you can learn from others. These connections will help you understand industry trends while giving you insights on how to position yourself in the market. Use this period to fine-tune your craft based on feedback from peers and experts. Now that you've gained basic proficiency, it's time to go deeper. Weeks 5 through 8 are about mastering more advanced concepts and putting yourself in challenging situations. For example, if you're learning coding, tackle more complex problems or explore frameworks. If you're developing copywriting skills, focus on learning about SEO optimization or email marketing copy. Additionally, start documenting your work. Create a portfolio that showcases the projects you've completed so far. In today's digital job market, portfolios and results speak louder than degrees. Whether it's a GitHub repository for your code or a website showcasing your digital marketing campaigns, having tangible proof of your skills will make a big difference when you start pitching to clients or applying for jobs. By now, you're likely skilled enough to start monetizing your efforts. In weeks 9 through 12, focus on turning your new skill into a real income stream. If you've been learning a freelancing skill like copywriting or graphic design, start pitching your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn. Tailor your profile and pitches based on the feedback you received in earlier weeks. One of the overlooked ways to monetize high-income skills quickly is through skill stacking. Skill stacking means combining 2 or more complementary skills to offer a more valuable service. For example, combining copywriting with digital marketing or graphic design can make you far more attractive to potential clients than focusing on just one skill alone. Now is also the time to think about long-term scalability. How can this skill fit into your career or business plans? Could you eventually create a product, service, or online course around this skill? Start planning for the future, even as you focus on landing your first paid gigs. It's important to understand that learning a high-income skill isn't just about hard work. It's about working smart. According to neuroscience research, skill mastery requires both active engagement and spaced repetition. That's why practicing even for an hour every day accelerates learning. When you focus deeply and push your brain to overcome small challenges, you're reinforcing neural pathways and increasing your ability to retain complex information. By week 12, these pathways will be strong enough to maintain your new skill long-term, giving you the foundation to continue building on it. Did you know that one of the highest paying and most obscure skills is ethical hacking? Ethical hackers or penetration testers are hired to find vulnerabilities in systems before malicious hackers do. What's fascinating is that by using the same techniques as cyber criminals, they can earn up to $500,000 a year, with top freelancers even securing six-figure bug bounties for uncovering critical flaws. In 90 days, you can get certified in ethical hacking and begin working with companies to safeguard their digital assets. By following this 90-day roadmap, you've gone from a complete novice to someone who can confidently apply a high-income skill in the real world. Whether you've chosen digital marketing, coding, copywriting, or any other skill, remember, the journey doesn't end here. This is just the beginning of your financial independence and career growth. The effort you've put in over these 3 months will continue to pay off for years to come. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. 90 Days Better covers a wide variety of habits. Be sure to check out the links in the description for resources that will help you on your learning journey. Until next time, stay motivated and keep growing.